Okay, so this is Miss Kat from ISCHAM.
Hi.
We are here in Angeles City and early morning grind. Actually, ma'am, katutulog ko lang ng 5 a.m.
Oh.
I work during the night.
Oh. Great. Tapos ngayon, 9 a.m. Oh, 10 na dito ka na.
Alright. So what are we doing today?
Well, we're gonna tour you around guys, Pampanga, and then watch out for the, for the kitchen, for the culinary kitchen, and for the basic kitchen.
Yes.
That's all. Yes.
Yes. Alright, so more of the information on our We're in Pampanga vlog. So this is just nothing. I don't know.
Tara, welcome to ISCHAM.
Thank you. Meron pa tayong pa-welcome.
Siguro later yun, sir, while we're doing the taste test, tapos parang may konting Q&A, how ISCHAM started,
Yes, parang ganun.
ganon. So
Yes.
we'll do that later pagka iti-taste test.
Kayo po yung kasama doon?
Yes,
Okay.
gusto mo ba?
Wala.
Kaya ko
Kaya nga nagpasiba eh. Ako.
Sige, no problem.
Are you a chef din po? So wearing a toque for the first time. And again, we are at ISCHAM. Ayan, so this is actually one of the prestige culinary school dito po sa Pampanga. And okay. Okay.
Salt and drink the simmer over medium heat.
Alright, so the setup is we have our instructor, ayan. And then we have our student chefs as well. Ayan. Take note guys, so this is we have mga ano din, mga foreign students as well as of course mga local. Oh, I think this is what we are doing for today. It's for Halloween.
Cherries and chocolate shavings.
Alright, so this is my first ever deconstructed. Actually, it's my first time ever to do this. And I am actually happy because it's a deconstructed Black Forest cake. This is my rendition of a cake. Thanks so much, chef. Thanks so much, chef.
You're welcome.
I'm a little bit shaky, siguro. Medyo, yung kamay ko kasi medyo sanay sa mabibigat na. This one's a little bit gentle, parang ganun. So, alright. So, we're transferring again to another kitchen, which we're... Chef! This is fun. This is fun. I mean, you don't do this every day, guys. So, except for the students, of course. But for me, this is actually fun. Like I said, you always see me, eat the food that they send us. But right now, I'm cooking. I'm cooking them. He's so serious. So this is one of the simplest method in cooking, but
Yeah.
we've learned from Chef Raymond. There's a proper way of doing it.
Correct.
So how do we do it?
Basically, this is called our standard breading procedure. So we have our flour, we have our eggs, and we have our breadcrumbs. So you want to have a dry hand and a wet hand.
Okay.
Because if not, your fingers are
Yes.
just gonna grow.
Yes. You're
So-
gonna bread your fingers.
Yes, exactly.
So done. Which one? Yan na. Okay, nagkaya. So done with my pork schnitzel. I think mine is a little bit overcooked. Anyway, first time lang naman.
Total experience cooking. Diba? Okay.
Yes, actually. I mean, from practical use to, your trade secrets.
Yes.
It
Ano
will
pa?
be helpful.
The only ano pa is, it's a simple way of cooking.
Yes.
End up the product is good.
Yes,
No,
yes,
yun ang
yes.
gusto mo eh. No? Simple application, simple technique, but at the end, the food is free.
Yes,
Diba?
yes,
Yun naman
correct.
ang natin. Gusto natin yan.
So our friend right here is Chef. What's your name, Chef?
Soy, no? Okay. So first is, I have here, what we call crab salad. Crab meat, cucumber. So, already done sa crab. Then, just have to plate. Alright.
Okay, okay.
Then, I have here some blue cheese.
Blue cheese. Alright, Shanuk!
Yeah, it's eating time.
Eating time. Fruit of our labor. So earlier, what we did is we prepared some of the, of course, with the help of the experts. So we prepared these food on our table right here. And what do we have? What do we have? So we have soup. We have some chicken or meat yung ano natin.
Chicken, steak, meron din tayo.
We also have, of course, pork. This is a exciting one. This is a steak, guys. It's a steak. So, yeah, let me just put this here. Kain muna kami. Okay. Bilis lang.
Tangan mo. Buntok yung buntok.
Nabuntok.
Buntok yung paso ko.
Wow.
Yeah?
Shrimp soup. Look, Loki. Breakfast something.
What's that?
Miriam.
Enjoy.
Wow.
Oh, there!
Sorry, no Kinder Joy, baby. Hi. Hello, Hugger. Hey, Hugger. Hey, Hugger. Wala. Na. Wala pa yung mga ano, delivery? Hey, Hugger. I tried, baby. I tried. Wala. Dalawang 7-Eleven yung pinuntahan ko. Pero yung sa pangalawa, nakakita ko. Tintini, tintin. Come here, Hugger.
Oh, go, open your Kinder Joy. First time mag-open yung Kinder Joy.
What are you doing?
Is that it?
Na? What are you
For
doing?
nandito first at sumagot ng mga manual.
Alright.
Mathematics.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Boys and girls.
Yep.
There. Open
Thank you,
there.
Daddy.
You're welcome.
Open there.
How about you, baby?
Help. Get the help.
Open.
Doon ba na, baby?
Hindi. Toys muna, toys.
Toys muna.
Toys!
Oh, Luis. Make your toys, baby. Assemble.
How are you, mommy?
Okay lang.
It's
Sleepy and
I am sleepy too.
just like you.
Just like me, I'm sleepy. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna be ending the vlog here. Grabe, what a day. It wasn't exciting. It was really, I mean, out of the normal thing that I do. But at the end of the day, yeah, this is my treasure. This is my family. Alright, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye!
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe!
Luis, sabihin mo. Luis, come here. Sabihin mo, please subscribe to
two,
our
two,
channel.
nine.
Bye!
Bye! Oh, bayan mo sila, bayan mo muna sila.
This is gold, this is gold, gold, gold.
Ooh.
Happy na!